Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Record inflows to BlackRock's crypto ETFs cement the asset manager's dominance as investors pour billions into Bitcoin and Ethereum exposure. BlackRock's iShares ETFs helped power the asset manager to a strong quarter of earnings and revenue. LVMH's sales increased by 1% in the third quarter, driven by improved demand in China, offering some solace to a luxury goods sector grappling with a prolonged slump. The rise reported by LVMH represents the first quarter of growth this year for the world's largest luxury goods group. Gold notched a fresh record high above the $4,100 level, lifted by expectations of a rate cut this month by the US Federal Reserve and an investor flight to safety after a flare-up in trade tensions between Washington and Beijing.
The sterling-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.